Hello guys, in today's video tutorial I'm going to tell you about Google Docs. So in order to create Google Docs you have to have a Google account. I already have one. It's here, I'm logged in, so all I need to do to access Google Docs is to go into this little icon here and go to Google Drive. Once it's open, I can create my documents. I have a few documents created. I'm going to create a new one now. I have to click here and create a Google Doc. There are other options here as well. You can create Google Sheets and more other types of documents. Please have a look around. So I'm creating a Google Doc now. And once it's open, it looks very similar to a Microsoft Word document. You can do exactly the same things. But the coolest thing about it is once you've shared it, everybody can work on the document at the same time and everybody sees what other people are writing. Okay, so I've created it already, and what's fun about it is that I don't even need to save it. It's already saved on my drive, so it will appear on the list of my documents when I refresh the page. I'm going to refresh it for you now. As you can see, it's here. It's untitled because I haven't given it any titles yet. I'm going to go back to it now. And in order to share, you have to click on this button here and obviously give it a title. Test, test, test. Why not? Save it. And now what I would recommend is getting a shareable link here. Okay, so make sure that you change this option here. Anyone with the link can edit. Okay, and this is how you make sure that your students can work on the document with you. And here you can copy the link and basically share it, paste it and share it with your students in the chat box of your online platform or via email. You can create as many documents as you like. So you can have individual students having access to certain documents, or you can have your whole class accessing one document that you want them to see. There are many options. Please have a look around, as it's really easy. Once you've created this link and made sure that people can edit it, you click on Done. And basically, that's it. I use Google Docs for explaining grammar, vocabulary, and for feedback. It's a really useful tool for feedback. Once I've created my document, I can close it and go back to the list of my documents. From this level, I can also do a lot of things with my document. I can right click on it and then a few options appear. If I want to get the shareable link again, because say I've forgotten it, I can get it here and I can share it with more people. I can move the document to other folders. I can create folders on my Google Drive. I can make a copy and download it to my computer. It's important to remember that your students don't need to have Google accounts in order to edit your Google document, which I think makes it even easier and more accessible for everybody. Okay, I hope that's useful. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, follow us, and share.